hottest ever in June. 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31%.
I like to listen to the
73 with 31%
story.
humidity. And it is muggy out there.
So sorry if I don't talk as much. You know. Welcome to The Wolf Among Us.
Mr. Toad?
Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my heart. No need to kick up a fuss.
I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem.
He's a toad, by the way.
Can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
Animals?
You know what I mean.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
I don't make the rules. Sorry. I can't give you a free pass on this, Toad. My hands are tied.
Right.
There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
Just go ahead and upstairs.
I should probably go handle this.
Yes, please. Thank you.
I've given him enough talking to.
Furry prick gobshite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Jeez. Yeah, that's a little graphic. But from what I've seen so far, it's gonna be that way.
No, I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me!
Look!
Stop, okay?
Game is pretty interactive.
Let go! Take a look. Take a good look.
Well, let's just go ahead and get in. That seems enough going on around here.
No,
Whoa, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid? I'll fucking kill you!
All right, right here.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Oh shit. This is where it gets a little kind of interactive.
You gotta calm down.
Send you right to the sink. Oh, bad idea. Whoop! And yep! You're trying to cut me with that little knife? No.
Fuck you.
Back off, asshole.
A light post, really? Yeah. Hit him in the head. God. Just doesn't want to sit down, does he?
Had enough?
Jeez.
At least make this a fucking challenge.
Seriously? Not enough for you? How about that for a challenge? Still not enough, huh? Here's your challenge, buddy boy. Oh. No. I raise the difficulty, not you. Ah. Not you. Jeez. Yeah, seriously? Assaulting me with an axe? No. I'm not having that.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Say that word one more time.
What? Bitch?
What did I say?
You fucking... Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
What are you doing here?
These lips are sealed. Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
All right. You need to go.
I can't go until this deadbeat pays me.
For what?
I let you slap me around for a while. You're lucky I'm not charging extra.
Why was he hitting you?
Maybe you should ask him that.
I will, but I asked you first.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I
No.
cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Would you excuse me for a moment?
By all means.
Come on!
Ouch. Did not see that coming. Sort of. Wow, who am I lying? Of course I saw it coming. Oh no, the woodsman's took a harder fall than I did. Oh. Hello.
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
Sorry about the car. We ended up going out the window. Couldn't be avoided.
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
Hmm.
Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Seriously? Yeah, I'm not gonna let you do that to me. I'm gonna put a little fight back into it. Ah, shit! It really adds to the play when you have to smash a button over and over.
You fucking mongrel! You ignorant fuck!
Oh, come on! Seriously! Ah, okay. Woo! It's like how hard it should be to click a button. Shouldn't be that hard. You'd be surprised when you have to click it. Wow, man. Okay. Came back to help, huh? Yeah, he's still alive.
What are you doing?
I'm just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you fucking bitch.
Seriously. He just stays on it, doesn't he?
He's had enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Jeez.
Just come on.
Here.
Thanks.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
Boy, heals up fast.
Shit.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure?
He's had enough. For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though. That wasn't intentional. Sorry.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Someone's missing a cat.
Let's see, I've got,
Dragon will.
it's 20, 40, 7, 8, 58. That's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office, then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
Do you know where I...
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get
Jeez.
cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Another night on the streets. On my next episode.